Alright, about to swap out the starter. We just get in there. New part here, my tube spread out. Undo the positive negative off the battery. Pop the electrical connector. Pop the positive wire off of it. And there should only be 2 bolts holding it in. Alright, everything's out the way. Bolts out. All I gotta do is just slide this bad boy out. Alright, there we go. Just like that. Let's look inside there. There go the flex plate. That's what the starter hits. That's the little ring gear. So when the starter engage, it hits the ring gear from off the flex plate. Spin your engine and it starts up. This is the gear that comes out the starter. Bam! That comes out. It spins. Always compare the new part to the old part. Alright, new starter is in place. Alright, let's test it out. First start up.